about how can you disable your followers on notifications on your Clapper app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just go down, click in this sign down here. So when you just click here in this sign, so when you click on this sign, it's going to take you to your profile. You go above this sign, click on it here. So when you click on this sign here, it's going to take you to next step. This list, click here on push notifications. So it's going to show for you like this. You come here to your followers, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean your followers notifications disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking